Season's greetings to all of us and welcome to our 6th episode in this series. This episode is all about taking user input and giving output in C programming. Let's get started. Before we begin, if you haven't already, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon. In C programming, there are different ways of getting output, but the frequently used is the printf function, which we have been using from the start of this series. Let us look at this example. So if I declare a variable, I could give it a name like int first value equal to 5, and then call the printf function. Then I ask it to print out my value, introducing my format specifier, new line character, and then call this variable I declared initially. I could also write a printf function and ask it to print out text. Hi, welcome to inputoutput in 2023, and ask it to print out on a new line and close this function. And that is it. I've just written my function. So now if I run my program, we are going to see the output here. First, we have the integer we asked it to print out, that is this one here, this test value, and we see that the value is also 5. Then the printf function has printed the text we gave it on a new line. So hi, welcome to inputoutput in 2023. So what we have done in this program is use the printf function to output a declared integer variable and also to print out text we have put in quotation marks.
Let us now look at the next output function we can use, putchar. It outputs just a single character. So for example, so what we have done is declare a variable, and using getchar, we take input from the user, and then with putchar, we reference our variable and display the input of the user.
Inversely, if we wanted to display more than just a character, and let's say a string of text, then we will no longer be using the putchar function, but we'll be using the opposite of the putchar function, which is puts. And in this one, we can use it to display output as a string. So, for example, we can get rid of this and write our code like so. So let's say char x, and then declare an array size of 90 and close this. Then I am going to call the gets function and just call x and close it like this. Then using the puts function, I'm going to output what we have stored in x. So right now, if I run, we are going to get our program as is. So you see that the program has run and it is waiting for me to input my text. So I can just type hello and welcome to the channel and press enter. And you see that it has outputted exactly what I've just typed. Hello and welcome to the channel. So what I've typed is in green and what the program outputs is in the off-white color, this one here. So that is how we use the puts function also to display output. So if you've noticed the difference between the first function, that is this one, the putchar, and the puts is that the puts function takes the characters in an array and stores it as a string. So when you call the puts function, it's going to display the whole string. But in the putchar, it is only going to display a single character.
And that is it for our first episode in 2023. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon. Thank you guys for being a part of the journey in 2022, and I'll see you in the next one.